friends, how are you? I hope all are good, right? This is second session, guys. First session I upload the video. Those are not watch that video. Go and watch the video, guys. This is the most important appointments, and we will start the session, guys. You see, IPS guys. He is the Indian Police Service. Subodh Kumar Jaiswal appointed as the CBI Director, guys. Most important question, 100% guarantee, guys. This is SBI Clerk 2021. This question will be definitely. Out of 50 questions, one question is definitely, guys, this one. IPS Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, okay, appointed as the new CBI Director, guys. The most important, all members remember this question, okay. Who is the question? Question answer is Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, guys. Okay, we go for next question. You see, guys, CBI cards and payment services there now for credit card, debit cards. In that nominated director, guys, Devendra Kumar is a nominated director. He recently resigned, guys. So one question I also ask you like that, SBI cards and payment service nominated director, who is the person? Devendra Kumar. Like that question I ask you, guys. Otherwise, Devendra Kumar, what is the designation? Like that ask questions, guys. When he for one name they will ask 2-3 types of questions, guys. So you remember this name, Devendra Kumar. Okay, Devendra Kumar is SBI cards and payment service, okay, director, independent director, guys. He is a nominated director. Okay, this is the most important question. This is also, we go for next questions, guys. You see, guys, LIC head office, guys, Mumbai. LIC State Life Insurance Corporation of India has appointed Paytm, guys. Paytm is there now facilitate digital payments after tie-up with another payment gateway. Earlier, the insurance gained sought a fresh contract as most of the payment shift to digital modes. The new contract requires a smoother payment service, wider variety of payments option, adding more to your bank's wallet, etc. I'm telling, guys, when I'm handling the cash now, actually the LIC agents came, guys, for depositing the LIC premiums. So most of the candidates, guys, they are in queue actually, because the LIC that time they're not allowed for digital payment, right? So all are paying physically only. So it's a very terrible, guys. When the time of handling the cash desk now, I handle more LIC premiums only. So right now LIC, what happened, LIC is tie up with Paytm, guys, for digital payment. This is a very good thing, guys. So for this accuracy payments, and there is a less time consumption also very less now. So this is a very good thing, guys. This is also very important questions. So LIC tie up with the Paytm, guys. Okay, this is 100% question. We go for next slide. You see, guys, private sector lender, HDFC headquarters Mumbai. Okay, Atanu Chakrabarti, you know, guys, he is a very famous person, former economic secretary, guys. He's a former economic secretary. So he is appointed as part-time chairman of bank, guys. Most important question, this one. So Reserve Bank of India is communication dated April 22, 2001 has approved the appointment of Atanu Chakrabarti as a part-time chairman. Okay, the most important, guys, Atanu Chakrabarti is a former economic secretary. He is a part-time chairman of HDFC Bank. 100% question, guys. This one. We go for next question. Okay, another question, guys. Private sector lender, Axis Bank headquarters, guys, Mumbai. Amitabh Chaudhary, guys. So actually his tenure is over, guys, but Reserve Bank of India extended his tenure. Okay, for 3 years, guys, with effect from January 1st, 2021. Okay, this is also very important question of Amitabh Chakrabarti. Okay, we'll go for next question. Reserve Bank of India, guys, has appointed the Bengaluru regional head, guys. He is a Bengaluru regional head. What is the name? Jose Khatur. Okay, ED, guys, he is appointed as an executive director with effect from May 4, 2021. So he is very important question, guys. Who is the ED for present Reserve Bank of India, guys? Jose Khatur. Okay, this is a very important question. Remember this question, guys. This is most important questions. Next question, we go for next question. You see, guys, most 100% important questions, guys. Anup Chandra Pandey appointed as a election commissioner. I will give 100% assured, guys. This question, one of the question in the State Bank of India mains exam. Okay, Anup Chandra Pandey appointed as election commissioner. You remember, guys, 100% you show this short question, this one. Okay, you remember Anup Chandra Pandey appointed as election commissioner. We go for next question. Okay, RBI reappointed as Vishweshwar Ahuja as a MD of RBL Bank, guys. You know RBL Bank, Ratnakar Bank Limited. Okay, Vishweshwar Ahuja is a MD of RBL Bank. Okay, we go for next question, guys. Sanju Sahai to be new chairman of what, guys? Regulatory PNGRB, means this oil and natural gas regulatory board, guys. Who is appointed? Sanju Sahai. So he is appointed as the PNGRP is a regulatory oil regulatory board, guys. So is also very important question, guys. We go for next question. You see, uh, Ranjit Sinha Disale appointed as the World Bank Education Advisor, guys. Very important question this one. Who is the name person? Ranjit Singh Disale appointed as the World Bank, guys, Education Advisor. He is a education advisor from World Bank. Okay, we go for next question. You see, guys, Lieutenant General Pradeep Chandran Nair. He is take charge of DG of Deputy General of Assam Rifles. Okay, this is also very important question. From state news also asking questions in, guys. So don't neglect from state questions. Every state how to what appointment happen in the state news also very important. Okay, Lieutenant General Pradeep Chandran Nair. Okay, his take has Assam Rifles. We go for next question, guys. You see, guys, BVR Subramaniam to be Commerce Secretary, guys, is the most important question. BVR Subramaniam to be Commerce Secretary. You see, the appointment committee of the cabinet has approved the appointment of BVR Subramaniam. Okay, Chief Secretary of Jammu Kashmir has an officer and special duty in the Department of Commerce, and an order issued by the Union Ministry of Personal Public Grievance Pension. Actually, he is a Chief Secretary of Jammu and Kashmir State, guys, but he is recently appointed additional a special duty, guys, for special duty. BVR Subramaniam to be Commerce Secretary. Okay, he is appointed. Another news, guys. This is the most important question, guys. This one, IPF appointed justice retired. He is a retired justice, guys. Supreme Court Chief Justice. He is a Vikramjit Sen. Vikramjit Sen is a retired Chief Justice. Okay. As recently Supreme Court Justice came, guys. Ramana. He's Ramana's his name newly appointed, right? Ramana sir is a newly appointed. So in this place, he is a IPF, guys. IPF means Bureau. Indian Broadcasting Federation, guys. He is a Indian Broadcasting Federation appointed justice, guys. He is a chairman for this broadcasting federation. Means news agency is there, na? Vikram Singh Jain is the former Chief Justice, former Supreme Court judge, guys. This one. So these are the most important questions, guys. I will assure in that out of 13 questions, guys, I will definitely tell you 5 questions. If it definitely comes to SBI Clerk mains, guys, I will sure shot I am telling. So those are new for my channel. Please subscribe my channel immediately. For like these videos, I will upload every day, guys. So for this, you very useful for you upcoming exams. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind, guys. Be in touch with me. Okay, bye.